Hello, this is Archangel Michael. We are happy to bring forth new sounds for ascension and self-development and self-realization. These sounds are to be toned or chanted for a minimum of 4.5 minutes while closing your eyes and keeping your spinal column straight. You may feel vibrations on your crown chakra and also in your hand, and also you may feel expansion within you. So the first sound is AINHHORR. 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 It means I open the doors of light within me. AINHHORR. 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 Blessing, this is Archangel Michael. step into the glorious path now. I welcome all of you to attend the fifth dimension ascension called the crowning glory of one's life. And rediscover once again who you are, the magnificence of who you are. For you are the magnificent angel, a part of God, existing within every atom within your body. This is Rae Chandran.